A hybrid is. So we know there's three different types of flexes. There's going to be a girth flex, a length flex, and a depth flex. That length flex has two different types of flexes. It's a L1 flex and a L2 flex. But to give you a quick explanation about how this plot works and how we gather this data and how we figure out what type of flex a hybrid has, in short terms, we plant this hybrids at a 22,000 population, not saying that we recommend planting at 22, but what we're trying to figure out, what is the largest potential ear size that we can get from a hybrid without a double earring, and how big can that ear get overall with a limited amount of stress or hardly no stress. We give it picture perfect conditions, plenty of water, plenty of nitrogen, plenty of sunlight, we're making things happen, right? So how big is that ear at 22,000? Then we add a simple stress of increasing the population by 14 to 12,000 overall, and then we're going to compare that 22,000 population ear size to the 36,000. And what we usually do for all these hybrid flex plots is we pull 10 ears from a picket fence stand from the 22,000. What is the perfect stand conditions overall? We'll pull those 10 ears to figure out what's the largest potential ear size. Then we'll go into the high population. We'll pull 10 ears in a picket fence stand there also, and we'll then bring these back to the office. We'll go through a whole entire hand shelling day. And if you haven't attended one of our hand shelling days, they're very fun and thrilling. What we do is we count every single one of these ears. We count the rows around, we count the length, we weigh every individual ear, we shell every individual ear, we weigh it again, and we take moisture and grain samples on every single one of them. And this helps us tell the difference of when we add that simple stress of increasing that population by 14,000, does a hybrid flex in that more girth category, which is the rows around? Does it flex more in that length category, which is the total height and length of the ear? Or does it flex more in the depth category? What's the size and weight of that kernel?